Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use shortcuts and hotkeys in Miro in 2025. These tips will save you time and make your workflow much faster when working on boards. Step 1. Let's start with navigation. Hold the spacebar and drag your mouse to quickly move around the board. Use the plus and minus keys to zoom in and out. Step 2. For shapes and sticky notes, press N to create a new sticky note instantly, or press S to draw a shape without going to the toolbar. Step 3. For text, just press T to activate the text tool. Click anywhere on the board and start typing right away. Step 4. If you want to duplicate items quickly, select an object and press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. Step 5. To group items, select multiple objects and press Ctrl+G to ungroup. Press Ctrl+Shift+G. Step 6. Undo and redo are also simple. Press Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y or Ctrl+Shift+Z to redo. And that's it. Those are some of the most useful shortcuts and hotkeys in Miro in 2025 that can help you work more productively. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.